Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade sorbet. First, gather your ingredients, fresh lemons, sugar, and water. We'll combine these to form a simple syrup base. Then, we'll chill the mixture thoroughly before churning. This process ensures a delightful, icy texture. Get ready to enjoy a homemade dessert that's both easy and incredibly satisfying. To begin, juice about 6 to 8 fresh lemons to get 1½ cups of juice. Next, in a saucepan, combine 1½ cups of granulated sugar with 2 cups of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature before chilling it in the refrigerator. Once your simple syrup is thoroughly chilled, mix it with the 1½ cups of fresh lemon juice. Pour this combined mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Churn the sorbet for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a firm, slushy consistency. Then, transfer the sorbet into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to firm up completely. When ready to serve, let the sorbet soften slightly at room temperature for a few minutes for easier scooping. Serve it in chilled bowls, perhaps with a sprig of fresh mint or a twist of lemon zest for an elegant touch. This refreshing treat is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any remaining sorbet in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.